So my boyfriend was suffering from hair loss. It got to a point that he didn't want to go anywhere without a hat. He was actually avoiding nice clubs, nice restaurants. He didn't even want to go swimming anymore, which he used to do a lot just because of the hair. He was so insecure about being bald. So one day I was on Facebook and I saw a before and after picture that was such an amazing difference, and I told my boyfriend and we decided to give it a try. It was from a company called Scalp Designs, and when we get there, John, the owner, made us feel like he had the perfect solution for my boyfriend. I was kind of skeptical in the beginning, but he was actually very confident that once the treatment was done, my boyfriend wouldn't have to wear a hat ever again, and anything in the world was worth it. So now I'm so happy we found that, because my boyfriend has thrown away all his hats. He's feeling so confident, which is amazing for our relationship. He started going to the gym. He feels completely free, and he's just so happy and so sexy now.